Here you go. Huh? Out here. Man, that's a lot of water. Why don't you run out there and swim in the water? Run out there. Look at that water. All my AC units are flooded. Holy cow. Look at that. Look at that.
Your units are sitting in water.
Yeah, I see that. Holy cow.
They're sitting in water.
That is called flash flooding. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen it like this. What? Keeney?
You?
Keeney?
Hey, Mama, go out there and play in the rain.
Absolutely not.
Run out there.
It's cool.
Yeah, it is. It's even starting to get like little ripples in it.
Yeah. Not in the water! You're gonna get your shoes soaked.
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Dude, we gotta go to Walmart.
Everyone's gonna be wet.
We're not by
That is insane.
Huh?
Alright, let's go.
I don't need to worry about everything, right?
No, no one leaving.
Yeah, look at that.
Holy cow. It's gushy.
No.
That's insane. I need one.
I'm giving you the lighter. Cold now? Cold not go out in it.
You cold? I don't think I've ever seen it rain like that, really.
Pond will go up.
The pond's flooded.
You know what? Well, I told you not to go out there, dude. I didn't. I have to go to Walmart.
Holy cow, look at that water. That is insane. It is just gushing. Man. It's just like rolling into that. That thing's gonna be full of water.
Hey, Dad.
Good Lord.